Well, gang, just waiting on my buddy. I've got the old launch out. We went for a bit of a drive, quite a long one, but I'll let him tell you what happened. Go down and have a look. It's a Falcon. I think it's like a 2000 don't know. Hey mate.
Hello mate.
So I'm going to do a little bit on this, Paulie.
Yep.
Now, can you tell the people what happened? Because I've never heard of this shit before.
Mate, wouldn't start. Didn't matter what we tried. We went through everything. Disconnected the battery overnight.
Yep.
Hooked it back up in the morning.
Yep.
Fired first crack.
Yep.
Gets back to the motel.
Now, hang on. You drove this from here
to South Australia.
To South Australia, which is how many k's?
1400 k's.
1400 k's there.
Yeah.
That's about 1,000 mile thereabout.
Yeah, roughly. Yeah.
Roughly.
Mm-hmm.
And it didn't miss a beat.
No, went like clockwork. Yeah.
Yep. And you parked it.
Parked it.
And it wouldn't start.
Would not start. No. So we disconnected the battery.
Yep.
Went back next morning.
Yep.
Fired first go.
Yep.
Took it back to the motel. Let it sit overnight.
Yep.
Went to start it in the morning. No go.
Now what and you went through all the stuff, you checked all the connections,
everything.
You checked all the stuff.
Had every fuse out of it.
Now tell the people what it is that you did to get it going.
I tipped a cup of hot water on the computer and bang, away she went.
And
3 times that's done that.
Yep, when it was cold it wouldn't start.
Yep. Wouldn't start.
And when it was warm, once it'd been running it was no big deal.
Drove it back from South Australia, hasn't missed a beat.
Drove it back 1,000 miles, 1400 k.
Yep.
And it didn't miss a beat.
Hasn't missed a beat.
We're going to scan it, but I'll just show you what's in the engine. What it is here.
When we were trying to get it going, I had my hand on here and it was ice cold.
Ice cold. Well, that's the ECU over there.
That's right. Tipped the water. Boom. Away she went.
So for the international people, that's our Barra motor. What they call the Barra. You've seen them a lot with a big snail hairdryer sitting up in here, but this is just a standard one. So we're going to put the scanner on it and just see if it's got any. Has it got a check light on?
No, nothing.
No check light.
No check light whatsoever. Nothing.
So we'll hook up the scanner and see what it's got to say for itself. It's a 2003 Falcon. It's a Fairmont. Is it a Fairmont?
No, it's just a
Falcon.
I think it's just an XT. I think.
Just a base model. But they've got everything, you know what I mean? They've got all the stuff. Futura, so it's a step up from the base model. 2003 Falcon Forte Futura, and we want powertrain module. See what we get. Diagnostic code. Read the DTCs. Communications error. Oh, we forgot the key on, didn't we? Okay. We'll try again. Code. Read DTCs. Shift solenoid circuit fault. The theft detection, which is the body control. That's underneath the radio. It's in this panel here underneath the radio.
Right, yeah.
Something wrong with that, apparently. Idle air control and throttle actuator control system.
That's what come up with Maddie's machine.
Yeah. Did he clear any of these?
Well, his machine wouldn't clear it, so that's why we disconnected the battery.
Okay, so we'll clear that stuff. It's failed. No, it's cleared them. It's cleared them, buddy. So what I suggest you do is drive it, see if it does it again, or maybe in a week or something I'll scan it again.
Scan it again, yeah. All right.
And just see if it comes up with any codes. If it does, look, it's quite likely the throttle body could be dud, mate.
Yep. Okay.
I haven't actually come across it, but these are a bastard to put back in. What a fucking stupid idea this is. It's just, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't have to be like that, does it? Anyway. Alright, well.
We'll see what it does.
Yeah, just see what it does, mate. We'll give it a week or whatever and I'll scan it again. We'll see what happens.
I'll just take the flask with the hot flask.
You had no problem starting it up here, did you?
No.
Yeah, we're a fair bit north and it's a fair bit warmer, so I guess this car's just not suitable for South Australia. Have a good one.
Get me back to Australia where we should be.